Hello and welcome back to the Creator's Angle. I'm your host, Big Phil. Look at the calendar. It is 22nd of December. We are officially in the last minute zone. If you're panicking about gifts, or if you're stressing about how to capture your family holiday without it looking like a disaster, take a deep breath. I've got you. Buying a gift for a photographer or a videographer is like walking into a minefield. We are obsessed about our gear. We know exactly what we want. So, my first tip to save you stress: talk to them. Don't guess. Ask them. Is there a small accessory that would make your life easier? A specific filter, a memory card, or a battery? They will appreciate the utility far more than a surprise gadget that they will never use. But this episode isn't just about buying. It's about creating. I promise you, by the end of this episode, you will have a clear shopping list for the post-Christmas sales and the knowledge to film a holiday video that your family will actually want to watch for years to come. Let's start with the gear. Maybe you're looking to treat yourself for the January sales. If you're looking to go big budget and move to full frame, there are two cameras dominating my recommendation right now. First, the Sony A7CR. Think of this as the compact beast. It's the smaller sibling to the A7R5, packing high-resolution sensor in a body you can travel with easily. It's classy, discreet, and powerful. Second is the brand new Sony A7V. This is the successor to my own workhorse, the A7 IV. It's the new hybrid king. Better autofocus, better video spec, and it does everything well. And here's the tip: because the A7V is out, my current camera, the A7 IV, will likely be on sale right after Christmas. It's still an incredible machine, so keep your eyes peeled for bargains. For lenses, you want that Christmas look. That means fast apertures. I highly recommend the Sony panicking lenses, specifically the 40mm or 50mm f2.5. They're tiny, sharp, and won't break the bank. Or if you want to go all out, the new Sony 28-70mm f2.0 G Master is the lens that basically replaces every prime in your bag. But what about stocking stuffers? You don't need to spend thousands. Look for ND filters for a drone. Look for a variable ND filter for a camera. A small portable LED video light is a lifesaver for vlogging in dark winter evenings, especially outdoors. Or even a simple cleaning kit with a rocket blower. These are the things we always need but forget to buy. Now let's talk about filming. It's Christmas morning. It's dark. How do you make it look cinematic? First, low light. Don't be afraid to crank your ISO. You need to shoot wide open. Set your aperture to f1.8 or f2.8 depending on your lens capabilities. This lets in light and creates a beautiful blurry background, bokeh. Try to position your family so the Christmas tree lights are behind them. That is where the magic happens. Second, the European nightmare. For all my European listeners, if you're in Europe or in any PAL region, your Christmas lights flicker at 50 Hz. If you film at 30 or 60 frames per second, your video will strobe like a disco. You must set your camera or phone to 25 or 50 frames per second. This syncs with our electricity and stops the flicker. Third, storytelling. Don't just hit record and wait. Get up early. Get B-roll. Film the details, the ornaments, the hand steering the paper, the steam coming out of the turkey. Film the food in slow motion. You can slow it down in post-production to add that dreamy, cinematic feel. Focus on emotions, on people's faces, not just the objects. I'm sharing all my holiday secrets here, but I have one request. If this podcast has helped you at all in 2025, the best gift you can give me is to hit that subscribe or follow button. It helps me build the community into 2026. Let's talk about audio. Christmas is loud, but the worst offender is background music. If the radio is playing Last Christmas, YouTube will copyright strike your video straight away. Turn the radio off. Use sound effects from libraries like Epidemic Sound. Brackets, shameless plug, there's a link to a discounted price in the video description. So, use Epidemic Sound to build the atmosphere later in the post-production. And please use an external mic like DJI Mic Mini or Rode Wireless Pro. People will forgive grainy video, but they will turn off distorted audio. If someone is giving a speech or telling a story, clip a mic on them. Finally, the mindset. This is the hardest part. As a videographer, we suffer from operator syndrome. We document the memories, but we are never in them. My advice? Trust yourself. Set up a tripod, frame the shot, and then go sit down with your family. Be in the video. Years from now, your kids won't care if the focus wasn't perfect. They will care that you were there, smiling and opening gifts with them. This is my final episode of 2025. I want to take a moment to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who listened, rated, messaged, and supported the Creators Angle this year. You're the reason I do this. This community means the world to me. I wish you all peaceful, creative, and wonderful Christmas. Put the cameras down every once in a while, enjoy the food, enjoy the people, and recharge. I'm coming back swinging in 2026 with new goals and new skills. Until then, Merry Christmas and keep creating.